Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to change your gender on the Likee application in a few quick and easy steps. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Likee app on your mobile device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged into the home page, tap on your human icon at the bottom right corner to end up in your profile. Once you get to your profile section, click on Edit, and then from the Edit Profile section, tap on Gender. Now specify your gender by selecting from the menu. If you are trying to correct your gender, select the correct gender for yourself, and then you also have an option to show your gender on the profile. If you want to do that, tap on the toggle button right next to Show Gender on Profile. If you don't want to share your gender on profile, you can keep this toggle button off and tap on Confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your gender on Likee. Customizing your profile helps you feel more at home in the online spaces you love, and it's all about being you. So that's how you super easily change your gender on Likee. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick mobile app tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.